DJI Goggles N3 Review. Flight magic or overhyped? Ultrawide 1080p and AR cursor tested. Feeling stuck watching drone footage on tiny screens or laggy feeds? It's like trying to enjoy skydiving through a postage stamp. You're overwhelmed, frustrated, and your eyes are begging for mercy from pixelated chaos. You want to fly like a pro but keep crashing into tech limits, slow refresh, blurry images, and lag killing your vibe. If your drone experience feels like a sad rerun of buffering hell, you're in the right place. The DJI Goggles N3 promises to break you free from all that noise and put you right in the pilot's seat, crisp visuals and all. Deadlines loom, and you want that perfect shot, but your old FPV goggles freeze like it's 1999 dial-up. Stress piles on as you miss epic drone maneuvers and your footage looks more like glitch art than cinematic gold. The creeping burnout from battling unreliable tech? Real talk, it's a productivity and creativity killer. Every dropped frame and latency spike feels like a lost opportunity to stun your followers or nail your next big project. You deserve better than fumbling with clunky goggles that leave you grounded while the competition soars. Enter DJI Goggles N3, the game-changer that transforms drone flying into a breathtaking experience. Rocking a 1080p ultra-wide screen and DJI-O4 digital video transmission, these goggles deliver buttery-smooth, ultra-low latency live feeds that practically teleport you into the cockpit. No more guessing or screen squinting, every flip, roll, and dive feels real with a massive 54 degrees field of view. Plus, features like one-tap defogging and comfy fit, glasses-friendly, make flying less tech headache, more pure adrenaline. This is not just eyewear, it's your new flight HQ. With up to 2.7 hours of non-stop flight time, a super stable 13 kilometers range, and intuitive AR cursor control via DJI RC Motion 3, your drone adventures just leveled up big time. Say goodbye to fumbling with clunky buttons. This setup simplifies your workflow and lets you focus on piloting like a boss. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned acro addict, the N3's smooth video and ergonomic design mean you get peak performance without the usual tech drama. Ready to step into a whole new dimension of flying? Dive deeper into the DJI Goggles N3 and see what sky-high freedom feels like. Don't get left behind watching others fly circles around you. Thousands of pilots have already switched to DJI Goggles N3 and never looked back. Stock is limited and trust me, the hype is real. Don't wait for your chance to pass, grab your pair now, strap in, and experience flight like never before. Whether it's epic aerial flips or smooth cinematic shots, the future of FPV flying is here. Act fast, join the elite club, and let DJI Goggles N3 take you sky high, literally. Click the link and launch your drone game today.